Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the Pinterest ads account history. This is going to be a section in the account where you will be able to see all the changes which are being made in the campaigns. It works like a log of all the changes which are done in the account, like any type of changes like campaign creations, ad groups, bidding strategies, ads creation, whichever we have been done, those get logged in the account history section. So you can see when, and you can see the timestamp as well, when that change was done, which user had done that. So all that information will be shared with you in the account history section. So once you're on the platform, we can go to add account history. And this is where you will see all the logs. So you can see the entity changed, okay, the field changed. You can see the timestamp over here. All that information will be there and the user details as well. All that will show up here, okay? And you will know what all changes. This is really useful in investigating certain issues. So let's say once you're running campaigns and you see a drop in the performance, you can check the account history to see when the drop happened on which particular day in the past. So based on which, then you can start analyzing what exactly the changes did you do during that time which led to the drop. And that is how we make use of this particular section to investigate, to do a root cause analysis of our campaign's performance.